This is an authentic sponsored review for this ceramic slow eater dog bowl. My dogs, we get a lot of rescues, and a lot of time when they first come in, they're trying to gobble up everything they can. They'll gobble it down in like seconds, and it's not good for them, you know, because then it just all lumps up in their stomach and they don't feel good, and sometimes they throw up. So these slow feeder bowls, they help out a lot. It makes the dog have to work a little harder. It slows them down with their eating, and then that way they're not just gulping it all down real fast in seconds. They actually take a couple minutes to finish eating it. So that's really helpful. I like that this is ceramic. I've had the plastic ones before, but they kind of get all dingy after a while and they don't hold up as well. I like that this is ceramic, easier to clean, nice and smooth surface. So if we don't end up getting the dog bowl washed out every single time, less harboring of bacteria. So this is nice heavy duty. I like this inside. As soon as we feed the dogs next, we're gonna check it out and see how well it slows her down with her eating. Okay, go. Go ahead, go. Good girls, you like it? It's working good. Slows it down. She has to eat through the little crevices. It's good stuff, huh?
Hello.
Got a new one, huh?
Yeah, she likes it.
It's probably easier. She's getting better anyway.
Yeah.